Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi everyone, how is it going? How are you? How are you dear children? I hope everyone are fine. Okay, today I am very excited for your class. Are you? Say yes or no. Are you ready for the class? Yes. Okay. Before starting the class, shall we do something which is very interesting for you? Are you interested for the class? Okay, what can we do? Something special. Tell me, what can we do? Okay, rhymes. You like rhymes? Yes. Do you know the rhymes? Yes or no? Yes, you know many rhymes. Yes, no. Last year you learned many rhymes. Okay, even I know rhymes. Can I teach you a new rhymes? Are you ready for the rhymes? Yes. Okay. Please stand up, children. Okay. Everyone are ready for the rhymes? Okay. Shall we sing one new song? Yes. Sing after me. Okay. Repeat with me. Okay. Just you listen after you follow me. Okay. Say first. Raise your both the hands. Yes. Say na na na. Say na na na. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Say again. Na na na. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Say again. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Then swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. And dance everybody. And dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na. Na na na. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. shake, shake, shake your hips, shake, shake, shake your hips. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Next, clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Then stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Next, after stomp your feet, yes, swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, 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 swing your arms. And dance everybody and sing with me. Then jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Then after that, touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. And dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Okay, thank you. Are you happy, children? Say yes or no. Are you happy? Yes. Okay. Shall we move on to the today's topic? Okay, children? Okay. Now, before starting the topic, shall we play one action game? Yes. Okay. Now tell me, in this song, have you find out something in this song? Yes. What is that? What did you notice in this song? Yes. Correct. Yes, correct. Say, tell me. Yes, correct. Clap. Yes. Clap, clap, clap. Yes, it has came repeatedly. Which are the words came repeatedly? Clap and stomp. Yes, stomp, stomp. Yes, stomp, clap, stomp and then swings. Yes, swings. Then next word, jump. Very good, jump. Then shake. Yes, shaking. Then touch. Yes, we touch the sky. Yes, these all, these many words has came in this song. Now, can you tell me for this word, what we can say for these words? Jump, clap, swing, touch, shake. What we can call for these words? You have learned in last year, you already learned these words. Please recall these words. What is this? Yes. Say, correct. Yes. These words are called action words. These words are called action words. Yes. Can you tell me some of the action words? See, jump. Yeah. Jump, clap, everything over. Next. Next. Yes. Yes. What is the mean by action words? Action word means some of the movement in your body. Okay. If you sit, that is also one of the action. Okay, children. Now tell me some of the action. Yes. What you will do in school? Yes. Writing. Then some of the action. Drinking. Then reading books. Yes. Then hopping. Yes, hopping, jumping, then climbing. Yes, these all words are called action words. Okay, shall we play one action game? Are you ready? Yes. Now, please stand up, sit children. Please sit down. Yes. Now, I will call. I have something in my hand. I have bunch of picture cards. What are these? I brought today for you all some of the pictures. Do you like pictures? Yes. Now I will call one of the students to pick any one of the pictures. Shall I call? Who is ready to come? Who is ready? Raise your hands. Who is ready? Yes. You. Come. Yes. Come Veena. Yes. Pick any one of the card. Any one picture. Your favorite. Yes. Don't think more. Yes. Now, just you have to see the picture. Big picture you got. And you have to do the action. Turn this. Yes. Do the action. What is this children? What she is doing? She is eating. Very good. What she is doing? She is eating. Very good. Now which word, action word has came?
Eating.
Eating. Very good. Thank you, Veena.
Thank you.
Go and sit in your place. Yes. Next. Next, one more. Who else to come? Who else to come? Okay. I will pick one card. Okay. Yes. Yes. I got the picture. Wow. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Guess the word. Guess the action word which I am doing now. Yes. Ready? Yes. What is this? What I am doing? Yes. Yeah. Swimming. Very good. Yes, I am swimming. Which action word has came here? Swimming. This word has called swimming. Swimming is also one of the action words. Yes. Yes. Now I will show some of the pictures. Yes. Okay. Yes. First one. What is this? What is this? Which action he is doing? Yes, this is jumping. Which word? This is jumping. Jumping is also one of the which word? Yes, action word. Jumping. Now, how many words over? First one is eating. Then second one swimming. And third one which action word? Yes, jumping. And next one is, what is this? Yes, this is, what is this? Which action? This is called skipping. Which action word it is? Skipping. Very good. And next one, your favorite. What is this? What she is doing? Yes, she is sleeping. What she is doing? Sleeping. Sleeping is also one of the which word? Say action word. She is sleeping. At what time you will sleep? Now you got the holidays for no classes, so you will sleep in the afternoon. Yes. Rather than that, when you will sleep? Most of the time at night. Yes, no? Yes, sleeping. Then, what is this? What she is doing? She is writing. She is writing. Very good. Now, next one. What is this? Children all are in a line and they are playing something. What is this? Which word is this? This is playing. They are playing. And the next one is your favorite. What they are doing? They are dancing. Yes, they are dancing. They are enjoying themselves. They are dancing. This is also one of the action word. And next one. Yes, your favorite. Yes, using color. What you will do? Using color, crayons, pencil. Yes, what you will do? Yes, she is painting. You like painting? Yes, no children? Yes. Okay, next one. What is this? Can you guess? They all are in the trap. What is this? This is called? Yes. Tell me, what is this? Your sports day? Yes, very good. Yes, for the race, 100 meter, 50 meters race. Yes, they are in the track. So, for why they are standing there? For which sports? Yes, for running race. They are running. And next word is, what she is doing? Sleeping. See what she is doing with the book? She is reading. She is reading. Yes, very good. And now tell me some of the action words. Repeat those words. Yes. Eating, then sleeping, then action. Which are the action? Writing, reading, playing, running, then painting, then drinking, then sitting, then jumping, climbing the walls, climbing windows. At home, in school, you will do that. Yes, no children? Yes, you are very naughty children. I know that. Yes. So, these are some of the action words. Can you repeat once? Yes, what we learned today? Yes, today we learned A-C, action. T-I-O-N, it will become shun, action. Words. Today we learned which word, children? Words. O-R, D-S. Oh, words. Action. Words. Today we learned which word? Action words. Which are the action words? Tell me some of the action words. Yes. Eating. Yes, eating. Then skipping. Then sleeping. Then playing with the friends. Then yes, dancing. Writing, reading, singing. Yes, singing. Yes, these are all called action words. Now tell me, like that, some of the action words are there in your textbook. Now please take out your textbook, English textbook. Take out your English textbook and take page number 9. Page number 9. Okay. Got the page? Yes? Yes. Okay. See, always keep in your mind, children, whenever your class will start, yes, you have to keep in front of you your all books, subject wise books, textbooks and notebooks, pencil, eraser. Okay, and if you have slate pencil, yeah, that is also good. Okay, children, please remember, keep in your mind. Okay, yes. Now, once again, we will repeat the lesson. Next, we will read the lesson. Then we will find out some of the action word in this lesson. Are you ready? Shall we read? Yes. Okay, first one. Read chapter 1. Read, try to read. The T-H, the fox. Very good. The fox and A and D, and the fox and the grapes. What is the name of the lesson? The fox and the grapes. Yes. Shall we read? Yes. Keep your pointer finger. Yes. Now start reading. one-o-n-e. One day. One day. While going. Very good. Try to read by yourself. Very good. One day while going for a walk. What is the spelling of walk? W-A-L-K. W-A-L-K. What is this? Walk. Walking means? Which word is this? Walking means? Yes, it is a action word. Now take your pencil and underline walk. W-A-L-K, which is in green color. W-A-L-K. This is called walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Next, shall we continue? Yes. One day while going for a walk, H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. A hungry fox. S-E-E-S. This becomes sees. He sees. Seeing. It is also one of the action words. Seeing here and there. That is also one of the action words. Sees. A hungry fox sees. He saw. He sees. B-U-N-C-H. I already told in the last class. B-U-N-C-H becomes bunch. A hungry fox sees a bunch. O-F become of. Bunch of grapes. A hungry fox sees a bunch of grapes. Is there any action words in this? Yes, you can find out sees. He sees. S-E-E. He sees. Seeing also one of the action words. Please underline. S-E-E-S. S-E-E-S. Sees. Sees is one of the action word. Next. Down. S-L becomes slurp. A-R-P. Slurp. Slurp. Y-U. And me, M-M-Y, yummy grapes, club, yummy grapes. Is there any action word in this? No. Next we move on. Next, T-H-E becomes the fox. The fox. G. Next, tell me the words. Tell me spelling. J-U-M-P. Yes. What is this? J-U-M-P. Yes. Try to read. J-A-M-P-S. It becomes jumps. J-U-M-P-S. The fox jumps. Is it action word? Is this action words? Yes, just you underline the word jumps. That is one of the action word. The fox jumps. Up. U-P becomes up. Next word is and. It becomes and. The fox jumps up and tries. T-R-I-S. Try. T-O-2-R-E-A-C-H. A-C-H will becomes ch. Reach. And tries to reach. Next word is the. T-H-E. The grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? G, and then gr, R, A, P, yes, grapes. The fox jumps and tries to reach the grapes. Is there any action words in this? No, only which word? Jump. Yes, next one. Next word. The grapes, A-R-E, it becomes R. The grapes are S-O. So, H-I-G-H, it becomes H-I-G-H, it becomes high, H-I-G-H, high, becomes high. Then I, K and N, can, N or T becomes together cannot. I cannot yes, it's reach. I cannot reach them. T-H-E-M, it becomes them. T-H-E-M, them. I cannot reach them. Is there any action word in this? No. Then next one. The fox. Next word is I-E-S. I strives. The fox strives. A-G becomes ag. A-I-N. Ain. Again. Again. A-N-D. And. Again and. Next word is same. Again. Again and again. The fox tries again and again. Is there any action words? No. Next come to this box. Pink color box. Yes. Next word. Yes. Am. A-M-M. I am so tired. I am so tired. D-O-N. D-O-N become dome. Then apostrophe T. It becomes dome. D-O-N. It becomes dome. And this is called apostrophe. And T becomes don't. I don't. T-H. The not the. It is the. Here the. T-H-E becomes the. Now T-H becomes the. The. I says ink. Think. I can. I think I can get the grapes. I can get the grapes. Next, is there any action word? No. Yes, you can say tried also for tried, trying. Then next, the fox. The fox, G-I becomes give. Yes, gives. The fox gives up. The fox gives up. Is tired. Is gives up. Is gives up. Then T-H-O-S-C becomes the O-S. Yes, the O's. Those. Those. You know the spelling. Yes, grape. Those grapes must. Yes, this must be surely be sour. This surely S-U-R-E-L-Y becomes surely. Say surely. Surely be sour. S-O-U-R. Sour. It must be sour. Is there any action word in this? No. Okay. How many action word you find out here? One is walk. Another one is seeing. Another one is jump. Yes. These are the action word has came in this lesson. Okay. Now, close your books. Keep in front of you. Now, okay. At the last, I will show some of the cards. You have to do the action. Okay. First one is, yes. What is this? What she is doing? Yes. Do the action. What she is doing? Yes. Do like this. Writing. She is writing. Next one. Next word. Which word is this? They were dancing. Dancing. Whichever the step you know, you can dance. That is dancing. Action word. Next one. Next word is what she's doing? Painting. Coloring. Painting. She is painting. Next one. Yes, huh? Swimming. Where you can swim? Yes, you can swim in the water, in a swimming pool. Yes, swimming. These all the words are called which word? Action word. Yes, very good. Now, in the next class, be ready with your slate or a slate pencil, or if you have a paper or marker pen or sketch pen, that is also okay. If you have slate and slate pencil, that is enough. Keep with you in the next class. Okay, children? Okay. Until then, have a nice day and take care of your health. Okay, children. Bye, children.